These are the most famous iced coffees that you can have in every coffee shop around the world, which are the iced Americano and the iced latte. These are the simplest iced coffees that you can make either at home or in a coffee shop. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm the Barista. Today I'll be sharing with you the most famous iced coffees, which are the iced Americano and the iced latte. They are very easy to make and they're really amazing. The iced Americano has the espresso with ice and also water, and the iced latte has ice with milk and espresso. These iced coffees, you can find them in every coffee shop around the world. I'll be taking you through the process on how we can prepare these iced coffees. To make our iced Americano, we're going to need a shot of espresso. We're going to need ice and also water. So just transfer our ice. Then we'll add normal water. Then we'll add our shot of espresso. As simple as this, you've made your iced Americano and it's ready to be served. Then next we'll make our iced latte. So to make our iced latte, we're going to need also a shot of espresso. We're going to need ice. We'll need also milk. You can use other alternatives of milk, they're really amazing. For our video, we're going to be using fresh milk. So just transfer our ice into our glass. Then we'll add our espresso on top. As simple as this is our iced latte. Okay. As I've shown you the process on how we make these two iced coffees, these two iced coffees can also be made hot. So check out my video on how you can make a hot latte and also how you can make an Americano or a long black. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any upcoming video. For any questions, link it below. I'll be grateful to answer all your questions. Till next time.